I'm Ignacio. Today I'm going to show you how to get to Lytle Creek. From Los Angeles, it takes about an hour and 10 minutes. Take the 210 freeway east. Once you reach 15 freeway, get to the north ramp on the left. I have another channel that I only do freeway videos like this clip. It is called On My Way to Adventure. Check it out when you have a chance. Stay on 15 freeway north for about 5 miles, and then you're gonna exit on Sierra Avenue. Once you exit the freeway, turn left, and in about a quarter of a mile, stop at the gas station 76 to buy a parking permit that is called National Forest Adventure Pass. It's $5 per day, $30 per year. If you don't have the permit, you might get a ticket, so it's best that you buy it. Once you exit the gas station through the traffic light, Sierra Avenue becomes Lytle Creek Road. We're gonna stay on Lytle Creek Road for 2.2 miles. It should take us about 3 minutes to get to the first stop. Many people, when they post about this place, all they tell you is that this is Lytle Creek and nothing else. They don't give you any details. That's why I'm doing my video like this. So I hope that you like it. Subscribe to the channel and activate the little bell. That way you won't miss any of my adventures. Thank you for your support. We are almost there. The creek goes underneath the road. That's why it's very easy to miss it. You can also enter this on Google Maps and it's going to bring you to this same spot. And we made it. Actually, I found a spot right on top of the tunnel. I'll show you. This is the parking pass that I was mentioning that you have to buy at the gas station. You have to have it, otherwise you might get a ticket. And we're here. Look, all we have to do is walk to the river. The rocks are slippery, so I highly recommend that you bring water shoes or some old sneakers. You can buy them on a link that I'm going to leave on the description of the video. As you can see, there's a big problem here. Actually, two of them. One is a lot of graffiti and the second one is a lot of trash. People leave a lot of trash behind. So if you visit because you watch my video, make sure you leave nothing behind. Thank you. Almost everybody wants to be near the small waterfall that I just showed you. But if you explore on either direction of the creek, you will find less crowds. Alright, now we're gonna keep driving on Lytle Creek Road for 2.6 miles because I'm gonna show you another cool spot. Lytle Creek is actually miles and miles. You can pull over anywhere you like, go to the creek and find cool spots. The ones I'm showing you is the ones that I know. Maybe in the future I'll come back for look for more. Another big problem here is parking. It gets crowded on the weekends, especially because the days are getting hotter and everybody wants to cool off. So it's best to come here on a weekday if you can. During the winter and early spring, the snow starts to melt and the creeks rise high, so it is actually dangerous to be here. Same thing when there is any chance of a thunderstorm. This place could be flooded in a moment, so be aware of that. Keep an eye on the weather. Park your car and it will take you 2 or 3 minutes to reach the creek. Once you get to it, you can explore in either direction. I went to the right. And then we made it to this small dam. When those water gates are closed, this fills up really nice and it creates a really cool rock pool to dive in. If you guys know when they're gonna close it, please let me know. I wanna come back and show a video with this filled up. The water level goes up here and some people jump and dive from here. It is really cool spot. It helps my channel if you subscribe to it, but it helps even more if you keep on watching my videos. Thank you so much for your support. Some people bring their tents to chill, I guess, or cover themselves from the sun, but here camping is not allowed. However, not so far from here, there's a camping site that I'm going to show you later on. So make sure you watch the video until the end. I was here on a Saturday afternoon and it was crowded. But if you explore and walk 15-20 minutes away from the road, you will find spots to yourself like this one. I'm gonna show you one more spot. We're gonna get back on Lytle Creek Road and drive for half a mile. and we want to find the parking lot on the left. Actually, this parking lot is new, and this is where you can park if you want to go hike to Bonita Waterfall. I made a video about it. Click on the link if you'd like to watch it. There's a restroom here, and also you can bring your trash and put it here. There is no excuse. And if it's full, take it with you. Don't leave it here. Also, please do not bring any fires. Fires are not allowed of any kind. Thank you. Once you park, you can go explore the creek, which is right over there. At the end of the parking lot, you will find this. You can continue hiking that way, and also you can go through this road, and once you cross the bridge, you can either explore to the right or to the left, whichever you like. In this case, I went to the right. It was about 85 degrees, so it was a hot day. So this felt so good. The water is actually very cold. This is a different point of view. The parking lot, it's over there. We came to the creek, but if you come this way, once you find this sign is where you can actually cross the creek to go and find the Bonita Falls that way. It is located between those two mountains. It's about 1 mile from here on the left-hand side. All right, we're gonna get back on the road, and I'm gonna show you one last spot, which is the campground. It is called Applewhite Campground. It is 2.2 miles from here. on the description of the video, I'm gonna leave information how you can make a reservation to this campground. Also, on the description of the video, I'm going to leave a link to a store where you can buy your hiking, backpacking, camping gear, and more. Thank you so much for your support. Across the road from the campground, there's a beautiful picnic area, but this time it was closed and I don't know why. So if you guys know why, please let me know. This also has access to the creek when it's open. Click on the links that are going to appear on the screen to keep watching my videos. Thank you so very much for your support. Until next time.